सुनाने, देश प्रेम सबके मन में जगाने लेकर आए हैं कृष और पार्टी बॉय। भारत है
Balti boy, I won't leave you today. You can't defeat me in a sword fight.
I've been training for 4 weeks, Krish. You can't beat me. Oh, my sword! Watch out, Trish!
Oh no! Why are you two creating such an uproar?
Hey, Krish, dude, stop reading the book. Pick up the sword.
Books have many words in them that are much more powerful than swords.
Anything.
Haven't you heard the name Pir Ali Khan?
Pir Ali Khan? Who was he?
Pir Ali Khan was the one who, in 1857, only with his words and books, inspired the common people to rebel and raise their voices against the oppressive British rule. Hey Sanskriti, story mode on!
Pir Ali Khan is a martyr of 1857 who was not a soldier but a shopkeeper. He had a bookshop in Patna. From there, he prepared not only traders, landlords and clerics but also Indian soldiers of the company government to rebel against the British.
That is the secret organization behind the revolt of 1857.
Exactly. Pir Ali Khan used to send secret messages to the people by hiding them in books. While giving some books to Nandu, he said,
"This is for Ghulam Abbas and this is for Ghazita. I will personally go to Maulvi Karim and Maulvi Mehdi."
Pir Sahab, all of them regularly visit your shop. Suddenly calling all of them here together. What if British find about this?
Awadh is going to have a mutiny, Nandu, and Patna cannot be left behind.
Back then, William Taylor was the commissioner of Patna. At an evening party in his house, opium trader Dr. Lyle and William Taylor's deputy Smith were also in attendance. Then Dr. Lyle said,
"Is it true, Commissioner Taylor, that our native sepoys are going to rebel against us? Hope it will not affect our opium trade."
Nonsense, Dr. Lyle. Look at them. You think these dogs will attack their masters? They don't even bark.
Gentlemen, dogs are loyal. Men, on the other hand, will bite as soon as you give them a chance.
Pir Ali Khan had gathered a small group of patriots at his shop through messages he had sent to them.
This is too dangerous, Pir Sahab. All of us together here. Why?
Because the British have taken away your land, Maulvi Sahab. Akram Bhai used to cultivate rice, and now the British force him to grow opium. The company has the clothing industry completely under its monopoly. Every trade is restricted. Everything is taxed.
While Pir Ali Khan continued talking, suddenly a man hiding himself in a blanket stood up and took off his blanket, which frightened all the people present there.
I'm Maulvi Mehdi.
What is he doing here?
What is this British inspector doing here?
Please stop. Don't be afraid. The inspector is on our side.
I'm an employee of the company government, but I'm an Indian first. And Indians only get disrespect from the British. I serve them day and night, but till date I've neither received promotion nor respect.
Rich, poor, Hindu, Muslim, farmer, soldier, the British absolutely do not value anyone. They took away the crowns from kings and the empires from emperors. And we did nothing except mourn it in our separate ways. But not anymore. The time has come for all of us to fight and liberate India from these foreign robbers. You all must have read my letter. Awadh, Kanpur, Delhi, there is an air of rebellion everywhere. We should also prepare for the storm of freedom.
We are all ready to sacrifice our lives for freedom, Pir Sahab. Tell us, when do we attack them?
The day you see this flag waving at my shop, understand that the time has come. But remember, before you do anything, you all will gather over here.
Why here?
Peer Ali takes them all to a trunk kept in that room. When he opens it, everyone's eyes remain wide open from shock.
Huh? The guns of British? Where did you get them, Peer Sahab?
From the police station, thanks to Maulvi Mehdi. He stole them one by one, and for this he risked his life. Shh.
William Taylor and Smith went out on rounds at night with their soldiers. Seeing the light coming out of Peer Ali's shop, they order,
Go and check!
Yes, sir. Open the door. Sir, you?
The door was opened by the Britishers' inspector, Maulvi Mehdi.
All is well here. I just came to check.
Sir, all is well.
Sir, the report said that the tensions are only in the Sepoy cantonment. I don't think there will be trouble in the city.
You think wrong, Smith. A coordinated revolt from Punjab to Patna cannot happen without civilian support. We must take action. Anyone who questions, just arrest them and hang them from a tree.
Saying this, William Taylor leaves from there.
Today Maulvi Mehdi saved us. We all will get a chance to fire these weapons very soon.
William Taylor's suspicion turned out to be true. In 1857, Mangal Pandey ignited the spark of rebellion at Barrackpur, and it spread to Meerut, Delhi, Mathura, Lucknow and Kanpur like wildfire. British East India Company soldiers attacked their officers and cantonments. In Patna, William Taylor became very ill at ease.
Raid every house in Patna, Maula Bakhsh. Guns, swords, knives, any weapons you find, confiscate them and impose a curfew on the entire city. If someone is seen outside after 9 p.m., just shoot them on sight.
Yes, sir.
Smith, prepare to leave for Danapur cantonment. If there the sepoys rebel, we won't be able to survive. I will not allow Patna to become Delhi and Meerut.
Yes, sir.
On one hand, William Taylor was making his strategy. On the other hand, Peer Ali was preparing for the rebellion.
If God William Taylor will hang us, he is a monster in human form.
Who is afraid of being hanged, Maulvi Sahab? Only pray that if death is certain, then I must do something before dying.
Peer Ali and Maulvi Karim were talking when suddenly Nandu entered the room with a piece of news.
Maulvi Mehdi was caught and he has been hanged to death.
Oh God.
The time for rebellion has come.
Peer Ali writes a letter and gives it to Nandu.
Deliver this letter to Danapur soldiers, quickly.
Is this letter to the soldiers the signal to rebel?
Yes, sir. And a promise that when they reach Patna after destroying the cantonment, the people will support them in evicting the foreigners from our country, our motherland, India.
But along with the letter, William Taylor and Smith also reached Danapur cantonment according to their strategy.
Where are the letters to the sepoys? Give them to me. What are you looking at? Open all the letters and read them out.
From Patna, a signal to rebel.
Peer Ali Khan. Officer, isolate all sepoys you suspect and take away their weapons. Don't let anyone out of the cantonment and no one will enter either. Smith, find out who is this Peer Ali Khan.
Before William Taylor's order could be followed, a gardener working there secretly listened to him and managed to get out of there. When Peer Ali was told about this by the gardener, he hoisted the flag on his shop, which was a signal for everyone to gather. On seeing this, a crowd of people started gathering at Peer Ali's shop. Peer Ali distributed the guns stolen from the Britishers by Maulvi Mehdi to everyone. That night, breaking the silence of all the streets of Patna, a crowd walked towards the opium house, where they encountered Dr. Lyle.
You are not allowed to enter.
Without a second thought, Peer Ali opened fire and killed Dr. Lyle. The rebelling patriots burned down the opium house. Suddenly, the British soldiers attacked from behind the crowd.
Fire!
That night, the streets of Patna turned into a battleground. A lot of lives were lost. And finally, the Britishers took Peer Ali captive. William Taylor tortured Peer Ali Khan for 3 days to make him reveal the names of his secret organization's colleagues. But Peer Ali Khan did not open his mouth.
Use your wisdom, Peer Ali Khan. Reveal the names of your companions, and you will be spared from hanging.
I won't do that. You may hang me or others like me every day. But you cannot kill my principles. Oh, William Taylor, I will die, but my sacrifice will produce millions of brave people, and they will never ever allow you to fulfill your purpose. One day your operation will definitely end. It will end without fail.
On July 7, 1857, he was hanged to death, and Peer Ali Khan became a martyr for the freedom of India.
Long live Peer Ali!
Long live, long live! Say it proudly!
भारत है हम
Hey guys! If you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.